Hey guys, Be Nasty here. Gonna do a quick American turn in Operation Stormy Weather. It is the summer of 2020. I've already rolled and adjusted tech. I only hit 2 of them. It was infantry and armor to stage 6 and 5, respectively. Yeah. For purchases, I have a militia and a colonial for 6, a airfield for 1, which is 7, then cruiser for 8 is 15, destroyer for 6 is 21, and advance sub for another 6 is 27. That'll be 37, 40, 43, 43. Oh boy, what's a transport plane? I might have to redo some math here. 8 and so yes, that's 20. So it's at 43. Those two put me to 63, and then these 2 are free units for hitting those tech levels. So, huzzah! Couple attacks. Transport's going to come out of Peru. Go to P78. Go to A40. Pick up these 2 colonials, and then go to C zone A41 and drop 1 into whatever that territory is called, and 1 into whatever that territory is called. Oopsies. So there's that. I'm going to have my air transport pick up an airborne and go 1, 2, 3, 4, because transport planes do have a movement of 8. Oh, where'd that thing go? Oh no, 6. Oh shit, I might not be able to. 6, well, plus I have a long range, plus he's at a, oh yeah, I can, for sure. I've got long range and there's an airbase there, so you can drop him and then he'll return and land there. So, delete that. And then over here, I think I'm going to change a little bit on the fly. So these 2 guys can march here over the narrow crossing because they're Marines. These 2 guys are just going to march down here just because. And then these 2 guys are going to go here with this 1 transport. And then the aircraft from my fleet, this I'm going to change around a little bit. So I'll send a tactical bomber to Korea. I'll send a tactical bomber to Hokkaido. And then these 2 I will send to Kyushu. Okay. And then the sub, which is with the fleet, is going to come 1, 2, and do some convoy raiding there. And I think that is going to be it for my combat moves. And so I will go from there. I do have to read about attack transports and Marines gain +1 attack. Okay, so my Marines will be at +1. And then I also have to read about the different naval technologies that I don't all understand. Okay. I think that's just it. So I guess they're going to just attack at 3. Oh shoot, I gotta go. Dang it. So close.